Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. Today I'm excited to be sharing with you a junior one bedroom here in the Richmond district. This property is just one block from a very bustling business district of San Francisco where there's shops and restaurants and coffee shops and such. As you can see, there's a great deal of closet space here. This is just one of the two closets in here. This view overlooks a magnificent yard area, which is shared in the unit. There's 12 units altogether. Beautiful hardwood floors. What's really nice is you can tell how quiet it is in here, the double pane windows. So this apartment is split up into a couple of compartments. You can see the old phone here, classic. Here's a little coat closet, your heat. Let's go into the dining room and kitchen area. So again, French doors divide the apartment, so it really does allow one to be creative with how you set things up. So deep sink, gas range, lots of cabinets for your space. So you can use this either as a dining room, eating area, or you could actually, we've seen it where people have put a couch right here, or TV, and then use this as a living room, and then you would then exit into your bedroom area, which could be quite functional as well. Another option here is, this is a very spacious room. The unit is almost 700 square feet. You could put a bookshelf in the middle and then also have a living room here as well as a bedroom near the glass. So lots of options in this property. Let's go see the bathroom. Now there's no laundry in the unit itself, but we are working on there's a wash and fold service right down the street. If you've never had a wash and fold service, you have not lived. So you basically take a bag of laundry down to the person behind the counter. They take it, and the next day, all your laundry is nicely folded or hung. And we're working out a deal where you can have that. It makes it super easy, much better than washing it yourself. There is garage parking that's available. On a first come, first served basis. So contact the agent, see if there's any parking available. I'm going to show you the yard in the foyer area next. All right, thanks. All right, here we are walking up to 255 9th. You see there's a little ringer. There is a container for Amazon packages, and they're quickly brought in. You can see them right there. This building, I should say, there was a sign out front. This was just retrofitted, and so all the earthquake safety measures have been completed. And then, of course, the unit that's for rent is 2 flights up. All right, here we are coming up to the backyard. Super large space. Owner is very willing to allow anyone who's interested to make a garden, put a lawn, however you want to utilize this is open for discussion.